Buongiorno. We are looking at how to pronounce with a typical Italian pronunciation, the way it is said in Italy, as well as how to say it easily in English, the name of this traditional recipe pasta dish from Italy. It might be made with spaghetti or linguine or other type of pasta. So how do you pronounce it? Pasta alle vongole. Vongole is how it is said. In Italy, you do want to stress on the first syllable of this vongole, so pasta alle vongole. So it'd be fine in English to say it as pasta alle vongole. You could say it from Italian, pasta alle vongole. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce the names of delicious pasta dish names, pasta and Italian food names in general, whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.